earlier video, we saw how to navigate to the inventory tab. So, and over here we can see the item list and the current items present here. And from these options, I can see that the first option over here, it's the warehouse button. So this is nothing but a feature which is applicable only to selective clients where you have multiple warehouses. So you can use this switch option to switch between your warehouses. So if I'm at my current warehouse, I can click on this button and the system will take me to the inventory of goods at my other warehouse. So you can see currently there are two over here. So that's why it switched to other facility warehouse. I can filter out the items by name, category like we saw earlier. And if I clear out the filters now, I can also navigate to other warehouses using this option. So for now, Mohit is my active warehouse and this is the list. But if I go to new site 1, which is my other warehouse, and it will show me the items that are present in my new warehouse, which will obviously be different levels of stock. And this is just a subjective feature for people who have multiple warehouses and want to navigate between them. And also, these are the other filters like we saw status wise. All in all, 12 items for new site 1. And these are the various buttons for adding items. Manually adding items we will see in the subsequent videos. But for example, you have an Excel sheet of let's say 100 items currently present in your inventory and you want to add them to the system. So it won't be manually possible for you to make individual entries for 100 items, right? So what you can do is either send us the Excel sheet on mail to the respective IDs and our team will help you add all the items in the system and obviously in the required format. Apart from that, if you want to also add the items by not via email, then you can also go on this button over here, a help button. You can raise a ticket by selecting the category here. So for example, inventory, you can select the subcategory. So let's say item, and you can attach your file and ask us to please add items as per Excel. And if you save this ticket, it will log a complaint or a support query from your end, and subsequently you can check the status of your queries, etc. And if you want to upload the Excel sheet by yourself, you can do that as well by clicking on the plus sign over here, import items, and here you can just drop your Excel sheet. So for example, we will drop this Excel sheet over here. Continue. You can add new fields or update existing. So select updated field. Sorry. You can add new fields. And over here you can see that the asset ID will be the category. So this is nothing but the Excel heading that's currently present in your sheet and the system field. So whatever information is under your Excel heading will be listed under the system field as category. Asset name. So for example, name, asset, open reading, etc. And then if I select upload, the system will read the information, convert it from the Excel heading to my system fields and upload the data all together. And this is just a bulk feature for clients who want to add multiple items together using an Excel sheet. And when we talk about the bulk feature, I mentioned that an Excel sheet in the format is required. So this is basically the template of the Excel sheet that you might send us. And this is the item name, measuring units category. So whatever is the Excel heading, you can put it as the system fields and the system will read the information and add such items to your stock of goods. And as you can see, yellow fields are compulsory and you can leave the other fields out as well if you want to. And this is basically all the information you need to provide to our team, or make a bulk action using this Excel sheet format, and this will be provided to you. Thank you.